Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and now I'm back in with another video. And guess what I got today? Tomei Unequal Length Headers. This is gonna unlock the Subie Rumble. So yes, right now I am just waiting for my Grimsby gasket. It should be coming like right now or like in the next 30 minutes or so. And I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested. It's not a sponsor or affiliate links. So make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. You know, check out my channel. If you make pretty decent content, consider subscribing. Yes guys, let's jump into the install. Alright guys, so this is the first step. So when you open your hood, there's these two clips right here. So what you need to do is just take these two out, and then there should be two of these small clips to hold on to this one, and there should be two more clips to hold on this one, and you just need to take it out. Alright guys, so for the next step is to take out the skid plate. I am missing a lot of like bolts and those black clips. So for yours, it may have all of them. But for mine, I only have these bolts right here, and there's like technically no black clips. So for your job, I think it may be a little bit harder than mine. So to get to the header's nuts, so you have to have like an extension for at least 9 to 10 inches to get the nuts out and put the nuts back in. So where do you locate the nuts? So technically there's one here, kind of hard to see. There's one over here. There's one right here, and on the other side there's one right here, one up here, it's kind of hard to see, and there's like one like right here. So, and this is the overpipe right here. This is the overpipe. Alright guys, so I just got the OEM headers off. It was super easy. It took me only like 30 minutes to get that thing off for like the whole entire thing. And now to put in the O2 sensor, so you see the gray and the black one. So the gray one, you had to put it to here, and then the black one you put it near the overpipe. So yeah, don't get them mixed up. So yeah guys. Alright guys, so I am finally done. So for the total hours of work, I did 4 hours in total of this thing by myself. So yeah, that's crazy guys. That is so crazy by myself, man. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. Alright guys, so I just got everything installed, and now I'm just downloading the Unequal Length Stage 2. And this is about like a 5-minute wait to tune the car for Stage 2 Unequal Length. And we'll be ready for that Subie Rumble. Alright guys, so just got done tuning the car to Stage 2 Plus. Stage 2 Plus. Yeah, so right now there was a big leak. I'm gonna roll the clip right now. See, so as you guys can saw, that thing was like hell smoke was coming out. So I'm not quite sure. I guess it's normal for like new headers, new exhaust. I mean, I bought this used for 360 only, Tomei. So you guys can find some pretty good like deal out there too, you know what I'm saying? Facebook marketing, you know? So yeah, so right now there's like hardly no leaks at all. So I guess it's normal, but I'm not quite sure yet. So I'm gonna come back and live within like a week or two and recheck, retorque everything back to spec or so. So yeah. Alright guys, so those are the sound clips. For me, it is way too loud. Like, bro, it's just a unequal length headers and a muffler delete. Like, bro, that is super loud. I'm gonna get a dual resonated front pipe and it's gonna be even more louder. So I'm gonna have to get a cap back that has a muffler to muffle the sound so it can be a little bit quieter, because I don't want to attract any cops, you know, because I live in Cali, bro. Like, bro, and the header is not even you know, it's actually legal, but yeah, you know, but it's crazy, man. It's super loud, guys. In person it is even way louder, bro. Like, it's 10 times louder, man. Like, bro, I can't know more, you know what I'm saying? But yes, guys, overall the install was fairly easy. It is just basic bolt-ons, you know, so if you guys can do your guys' exhausts, you guys can do your guys' headers. It is super easy. But if you guys have another person with you, it'll be way faster and way easier. It took me only 4 hours. It is because I have to run to AutoZone 4 times, guys. Like, bro, you need the right tools, man. So I have technically all the right tools, but I just have to like need like those like joint, so I can like what is it called, tighten those nuts. So yeah, so technically it is super easy, man. If I can do it, you guys can do it too, you know. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did, smash the like button and check out my channel. If I make pretty decent content, consider subscribing, you know what I'm saying? Future more will be coming to this car, so if you guys are also interested, please subscribe, man, you know what I'm saying? But yes, guys, anyways, I'll catch you on another video. So dream big and inspire.